So a quick hack on building your personal credit profile up and getting your scores up higher is adding more personal primary accounts. But not just any primary accounts. I want you to add aged accounts. So the only type of aged accounts that I know that can be your own personal primaries, and what I mean by that is that they're your accounts in your name, not an authorized user by somebody else. This is not a credit card that somebody else has and they allow you to be a user on it that builds your score up, but it's not yours. They can see, lenders can see on your credit report if it's an authorized user or not. They can tell if it's not your account. So what I want you to get is aged primary accounts. So the first aged primary accounts that I personally recommend is going to be in my positive accounts to boost your credit PDF. All you got to do is comment the words positive accounts down below and I'll send you a link to get to the PDF. But the first two that come to mind is going to be Rent Reporters and Rental Karma. Rent Reporters and Rental Karma. They're going to report rent to the bureaus. They can go back to up at least 5 years. So you can say, or somebody can say that you've been renting from them for 5 years, paying $1,000, $1,500 a month, whatever it is, and it'll open up on your account as a 5-year-old account. So now you have your own age primary accounts. You don't have a brand new credit profile anymore. You have a account that's on there that's 5 years old. So it's going to help you to age your profile out. So when you go on like Credit Karma, I know a lot of people use Credit Karma, and you see the age on there. That's not the age of your oldest account. That's an average. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't scroll yet. If you're interested in being an entrepreneur and you want to learn more about entrepreneurship, you want to be motivated, you want to get your mindset correct, you want to build your business credit, build your personal credit, or just understand finances better, this is the channel for you. What I want you to do is like this video, share this video with some people that you think it can help, and then subscribe to the YouTube channel. We drop videos every single day, and pretty soon we're going to be dropping 2 to 3 videos every single day just for you to consume and really learn and grow as a person, as an individual, as an entrepreneur, and level up in life. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. This channel is going to take you one step closer to living the rich life. So like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. So if your average is 3 months and you add those 5-year-old accounts on there, add both of them, your average age might be 2 years old now or 3 years old. It really depends on everything else that's on your profile. But adding age primary accounts like Rent Reporters and Rental Karma will help you to build your personal credit profile and build your scores up. And if you need a link to them, I'll send you a list of 8 to 10 different accounts that I recommend people add on their personal credit profile. All you have to do is comment the words positive accounts below and I'll send you the link.